Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Kentaro, Berger Paints, Nourish and Kurlon Mattress.
Welcome back. The former Mumbai Police Commissioner is on the run, but investigators are closing in on his extortion ring. Tonight, just news came about 15 minutes back that 2 serving officers have been arrested in Mumbai, and here is why Parambir should be next.
Mr. Waze, will you confess to the entire extortion racket? Mr. Waze, will you confess to the entire extortion racket? Where is Parambir Singh? Mr. Waze, where is Parambir Singh? Where is Parambir Singh, Mr. Waze? Please answer. Mr. Waze, will you confess to the entire extortion racket? Were you part of extortion racket?
We confronted Parambir's sidekick even before he went into the police custody.
वैसे परमबीर सिंह कहाँ है? परमबीर सिंह कहाँ है? मुंबई पुलिस क्राइम ब्रांच ने कहा है कि आपको मालूम है 7 आदमी हैं उनके.
Parambir is still missing, but arrests have begun. 2 serving inspectors have been picked up.
In a massive development, Maharashtra State CID has arrested a Mumbai Police serving officer, Police Inspector Nandakumar Gopale and Police Inspector Asha Korke in connection with Parambir Singh extortion case, which was registered before the Marine Drive Police Station. 15 crore extortion charges was leveled by a complainant, Shyam Sundar Agrawal.
They are officers who disgrace the uniform. As the first arrests take place, Parambir's time is running out and he too will be smoked out. Let's debate.
So, number of arrests happening here. You think Parambir is going to be next? I mean, watching this closely, Vikram Singh, you know, the extortion case against Parambir has exploded. We saw the arrests happen right now. What do you think? Is it going to move up to Parambir? It means nothing if all these people are arrested, but Parambir is not even found. Vikram Singh, it means nothing if all of these officers are arrested and Parambir is not even found.
Absolutely, Arnab. The head of the gang has to be accounted for. The gang members are small fries. The gang leader has to be arrested. And he is the master conductor in this orchestra. And the orchestra in charge has to be arrested, not the flute players and the drummers. We are going for the drummers and the flute players. What about the master conductor? He has to be put behind bars. And Mr. Kishore Tiwari, I would appeal to you to put the entire might of the Mumbai police behind Parambir Singh and get him announce a reward of 5 crores on him, sir. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Maharashtra CID has arrested Police Inspector Nandakumar.
You are correct, sir.
Yeah, is this... You do realize, Mr. Kishore Tiwari, that this is India's worst police extortion scam? Not something to smile about. You have to take some responsibility. It's been your state government under whom it all happened. Your state government under whom it all happened.
Arno, I should be allowed to speak. You should congratulate my CID who have arrested 2 inspectors.
Rahul Navrekar.
And we are going to arrest Parambir Singh.
Where?
That is final.
Where?
Because the extortion should not be tolerated at all. Now you see the Aryan case and that old Parambir cases. Everywhere we are finding these power mafias, extortion experts, and all these things. They are blood to Maharashtra government and. I appeal
but then
government and police that they should dig up all the
but why don't you also file one why don't you 1 minute, sir, 1 minute, why don't you file an extortion case for Parambir Singh in the TRP case? Because we have proof out there, 30 lakh bribe, 3 million rupees was taken from Bark. And it was paid to Parambir Singh's right-hand man, Sachin Waze, who is in your custody right now. And 3 million rupees bribe was paid to Sachin Waze by BARC. Why don't you file an extortion case there as well? Why don't you? Why don't you, sir?
No, we will take it seriously.
No, why don't you, sir? No, why don't you, sir?
Or no, the justice will prevail.
No, justice will prevail. Thank you very much. Why don't you, sir? Why don't you file a case, sir, an extortion case to the TRP case? Why, sir? Because it's convenient? Because you want a fixed republic?
No.
No. What is no? I mean, I think there are no half measures, sir. There are no half measures, sir. There are no half measures, sir. But you answer now, where is Parambir? Are you helping him in any way, Rahul Narvekar? Are you helping him in any way, Rahul Narvekar?
Narvekar party has arranged.
Narvekar party has arranged what?
Parambir Singh.
Has arranged what?
Great escape.
Narvekar's party has arranged the great escape of Parambir Singh?
Five-star permission was given. Yeah, and the Ministry of Home Affairs arranged his access to India via Nepal. He is in the Belgium. Rahul Narvekar must be in connection.
Well, Mr. Tiwari, if you're
Yeah,
done with
Rahul Narvekar, you
your
can start
absolute
now.
nonsense, I would like to put some sense in you. So
This
So
is
it's
not nonsense.
not just hilarious,
Parambir
it's
has
amusing
shifted
and
to
it is
your
absolutely-
gang and he
it's
has shifted
absolutely-
to Belgium. Who allowed Parambir? Who allowed Parambir?
fine now, if you looks like
you should tell the-
looks like you are
the
interested
country
on
wants
free
to
trip to
know.
Belgium. Don't worry, I'll send
He
you
was
also
in
now. Hear me
Chandigarh.
out.
Then he went to
I'll
UP.
send you also now. Hear me out.
Yeah, Rahul.
So
you should
Mr. Tiwari seems
change
to know the
country.
complete travel plan. So this Mr. Tiwari seems to know the complete travel plan of Parambir Singh, which I am not privy to. Thanks for giving me all the details. But I think it would have been far better had you given the details to Maharashtra Police and Mumbai Police. Having said that, it's not just hilarious
No,
to
we
hear
are
Mr.
tracking it.
Kishore Tiwari
No, you
giving
are
certificates
giving it,
to
we
a
are
government
tracking it.
which is responsible for extorting the common man of this country, right from the topmost ministers to politicians to bureaucrats to police officers. We've seen the way people have indulged in this kind of extortion. It is not
For that, we have a lookout notice for Parambir. You allowed Parambir to go.
Well, I'm
Rahul
not
Narvekar,
interested. I'm not
Parambir
interested
was
in
the
this.
extortion expert. Why you are not interested in it?
Well, is
He
this
is
gentleman
my
done with his
minister.
nonsense? I'm not interested in wasting my time over a person who doesn't make sense at all. So if he's
The man who complained against our Anil Deshmukh is responding. Or no, is it too much? The BJP wala is just running
is
away
he
from
done?
the scenes.
Is
Those allowed Parambir to go away. How the Parambir has vanished?
No, you answer first, Mr. Tiwari. Mr. Tiwari, you first tell me that is it not necessary for you, is it not necessary for you to say today that the TRP case was also an extortion case? Swapnil is trying to get away from that. TRP case was an extortion case. There was an attempt to fix and frame Republic. Channels who claim they are flying away in my shoes were part of the plot. Why don't you file a case there as well, Mr. Tiwari? Kya hoga? File a case, Swapnil, I say.
Yes, absolutely, Arnab. There is
First
no
tell-
question that you cannot have.
Everybody's on the debate. For the debate, please. Swapnil.
Kishore, please wait. Kishore, let me
protecting that
finish.
person. Does he have an answer to give for that?
Finish. Kishore, please wait. Let me finish, please. Thank you very much. Now it's my turn to speak. It's my turn to
We will do
speak.
that. Nobody will
Yes,
disappear.
but let me finish.
Nobody
But
will
let me
disappear.
finish. I know you will do
Our
that.
chief
I've been hearing that since a long time.
to clean up.
There cannot be any selective extortion rackets or extortion cases. There cannot be selective extortion cases. The extortion case should have been leveled against whoever was responsible for bribing BARC at that time, which you have not done. What is the government or with the state police has not done? Now, as far as blaming the state police, the BJP is concerned, I don't think that should have been the case at all. It is very clear that the arrests which have been made so far are not sufficient. You need to go up higher. At least you need to call Mr. Parambir Singh for custodial interrogation. It's very important. Kishore bhai, you need to do that. It's very important, and then you escalate, and then you arrest. Extortion rackets or extortion things cannot be selective. You cannot go after important officers like Mr. Samir Wankhede and not go after some others who had really created problems for this channel and for free press in general. So you have to understand the gravity of the situation. You cannot arrest small fry. You have to arrest
all extortion cases need to be investigated properly, be it the Samir Wankhede case or Parambir case. You are being selective on both the cases.
We arrested working inspector who will be arresting Parambir.
Please help me understand who controls the international borders, who controls the airports, who controls the immigrations.
Yes, yes, I'll tell you what is important first is that the state police should have never let Parambir Singh out of the jurisdiction. Forget international borders. When their state police has filed 5 FIRs, let me tell you that the jurisdiction lies with the state first, and then with the BJP. I agree with you that the NIA should have arrested Mr.
No, this passing the buck is this passing the buck truly is very disappointing. Mamta, you ask 1 minute, just 1 minute, Mr. Tiwari. Today, you go on the streets. You go to the.
Could not keep a check on its own officer who was marked.
But the NIA was also investigating him. How did they let him off the hook?
What are you talking about? What kind of a government are you running? You can't keep a check on your own home minister who was absconding for over 3 months.
Who took
What are you talking about? Proprietary? You hide your own chief. You hide your own home minister.
Leave his
Your
post.
home minister goes in the hiding.
Mr. Anil Deshmukh was made to
a person
quit.
who's occupying constitutional.
What kind of government are you running in the center? Your home minister,
You should be ashamed.
Lakhimpur accused is still serving as the union
Your
MOS.
chief minister should be ashamed.
You have no shame left, Mr. Narvekar.
On morality.
Chief, we are proud of the chief minister. He made Anil Deshmukh resign on the basis of false allegations, which are not turning out to be true at all.
He did not make anyone
Parambir Singh made
resign.
allegations against
He
Anil
did
Deshmukh,
not make
and there is
anyone
nothing against
resign.
him.
I am
He has
sorry.
just-
You should be
he has-
ashamed of your chief minister and your home minister.
He is
who's
out of the
absconding.
position.
Your
He
chief
is out of
minister
his post.
allowed
What
him
are
to
you
stay away
doing with the
for
union
3
MOS,
months. What
Teddy?
are you talking about?
What are you doing with Teddy? What are you doing with union MOS? Please tell me, tell the country, what are you doing with the union MOS, whose son is responsible for the killing of 5, 7, 8 innocent farmers in Lakhimpur?
Where is the question of any
Why?
minister of
You are
state?
talking
You
about-
talk about Maharashtra. You
We
are
are talking
allowing
about ethics and principles.
Well,
your own
I think the
absconding.
I think you all agree. No, I think you all agree. No, one second. I think we all agree today, Rahul. 1 minute, Shoaib. I think we all agree that this has now become, Mamta, a national embarrassment. It is a matter of great shame, and I place this on record. And I also say that the state government should be well advised to understand that you are dealing with a case, both state and central government, which is the worst case of institutionalized corruption, crime, mafia type operations, extortion ever in the history of India's law and order machinery. You are beginning to arrest inspector level officers, but the main person, we are told, has fled the country. Shame on the entire system for allowing that to happen. And I also want to tell everyone who may think today, Mamta, that 2-3 mahine baad log bhul jayenge. No, people are betting. I want to talk to my viewers. I want to say something to your viewers. Viewers, most people are betting on the fact that you will forget. Most people who have a vested interest in this are saying that after 2-3 months you won't remember. I want you to remind those people that you will not forget. If Parambir Singh is not found, you must not forget, and you must remind people that you've not forgotten. Mamta, are people going to forget this? Tell me. Are people going to forget this? as a public issue? Will people forget this? I'm asking you, viewers, will you forget it?
You know what, Mr. Goswami, no matter how hard these people try, the people of India are not going to forget this. As you correctly said, that, you know, it is the most embarrassing thing to see the cops who are wearing khaki are involved and indulge into extortion. I mean, it looks that the whole government, top to bottom, from the Home Minister to the CP to a petty inspector like this guy who's behind bars now, all of them were extorting money. Nothing else they were doing. And now, the CID has arrested 2 of the police inspector, but the question remains and the biggest and larger question is, where is Paramveer Singh? Who gave him the safe passage to flee the country? If at all he has left the country, then how can he leave the country? And let me tell you, Kishorji, that he is still your IPS officer. Is he or is he not your IPS officer even today? Who gave him the leave? Why did you all in your government give him the leave? How can he leave the country like this? Where is Paramveer Singh? Your allied partner,
By when?
Sanjay, only came on record and said that he is in Belgium. So how come the Indian government doesn't know that Paramveer Singh is not in
you
India?
cannot blame.
Please,
My whole system is corrupt. There are some corrupt people, but honest officers have arrested. Our CID has arrested, not the Central Force.
Okay, viewers, we need to remind, I'd only say this, viewers, we need to remind those who have a vested interest in this that you will not forget.